Hello, second graders. For your math activity this week, we are going to learn this learning target. I can use centimeters to measure lengths. You might be asking, what is a centimeter? A centimeter is another length of measurement, and it's different than an inch. If you remember making this ruler, it had 12 inches, and we colored each section every other to show each inch. That 12 inches makes 1 foot. Now we're going to make centimeters, and look at the difference. A centimeter ruler is only this big. Before you can use a centimeter, you have to make a new ruler yourself. So Mrs. Engelhardt is going to show you how to make this into your new ruler.
Second graders, so to make your centimeter ruler, you're going to need your centimeter ruler, 2 colors that are different from each other. So I'm going to use red and blue, and you might want to use the same colors, and then I'm going to need scissors. So our first step is to color using 2 different colors so that every centimeter is a different color. Okay, and now that I've labeled my centimeter ruler with my red and blue so it's easy to tell each centimeter apart, I'm ready for step 2. I want to label each centimeter. So it would be 1, 2, 3, and I'll show you what that looks like. I have now labeled every centimeter with my step 2. This is what it should look like after it is labeled. And you want to label above the lines because that is where it is 1. It's not 1 in the middle, it's 1 right at that line after that first army ant. So you might run out of some room to write your 10. That's okay. When it comes to our third step of cutting, we're just going to add some room right there. So there's some room for our 10 centimeters. This is your finished ruler. It is colored and labeled and cut out and ready to use.
This is our worksheet that you're going to do this week, and you'll notice at the top it says send picture to teacher. So this is one we want to see. And you will notice that there are lots of lines on here that you get to use this centimeter ruler to measure. When I begin to use my ruler, I need to remember that the end of my ruler is 0 and that the first slash mark is labeled 1 centimeter. So if I was going to measure a line, I would line up the slash mark of the line with the end of the ruler and then count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, I'm noticing something. I'm noticing that this line is longer than my ruler. There's another noticing I want to do before we finish. That is, there's a line down here that has 2 pieces. And this one here has 2 pieces. So we are going to line up the end of our ruler on the slash mark where it's at 0. We're going to count over to the end of the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Label your landing just like on a number line. And then begin again by lining up the 0 at the bend on the line. Count that section and add those 2 together for a total.